Good morning, students. Now we are going to discuss about receipt of income. Next topic, continuation. The salary payment. When an employee receives their paycheck from their employer, it's considered the receipt of income. This includes to be in the form of physical check, direct deposit, or other payment methods. Next one is rental payment. When a landlord collects rents from the tenants for leasing out of the property, it consists the receipt of rental income, dividend. These are the amount with rental amount. Then dividended payments. Investor receives the dividends from stocks or mutual funds, which helps the investor when these dividends are deposited into their accounts. It's considered the receipt of investment income. Next one, business revenue. When business sells products or services and receives payment from customers, it represents the receipt of income for business investment. Next one is interest payments. When individual received interest payment on saving account, bonds, then other interest bearing investments, it's considered the receipt of interest income. Next one is royalty payment. Authors, musicians, artists, and other creators receive royalties when their works are used or sold. When they receive payment for these royalties, it's considered the receipt of income. Next one is capital gains. When the individual sells an assets such as real estate, stocks, or other investments as a profit, the proposal for these sales represents the receipt of capital gains. Saving account interest. Then individual deposit money into the bank saving account. The bankers pay their interest on their deposit. This interest payment is usually calculated based on the account's balance and the interest rate offered by the bank. Loan interest. Browsers pay into their lenders as a cost browsing money. For example, when someone takes out a mortgage or buy a house, they make regular payment that includes both the principal payment and interest payment of the lender. Next one is bond interest. Bondholders receive periodical investment to know the coupon payment from their issue of bond. These payments represent the interest earning on the bonds. Face value typically paid semi-annually or annually. Utility on bonds mature. Next one is certificate of deposit interest. When individual invest in a certificate of deposit, they receive interest payment from the bank or financial institution that issued the CD, certificate deposit. The invested or rate of payment regularly invested until the bond mature. Next one is interest on loans on individuals or business. Individuals or business may lend money to other and receive interest payments as compensation for the use of their funds. This can include for informal of loans between friends or family members or formal loans between the business. Interest payments are essential components of the financial system. It invites for incentive saving of investing and browsing. They play the significant role of determining cost of credit and turn on investment of various financial investments. These are the points are in receipts of income. So we will discuss on next topic in next class sessions. Thank you all. Thank you very much.